Hello students, I am Kulsum Zareen. Today we will read chapter 6, the temperate grassland, the prairies. In this chapter we will read about the grasslands.
What are grasslands? Grasslands are areas where the vegetation is largely in the form of grasses with very few trees. These are vast expanses of fairly flat land. We find grasslands in every continent except Antarctica. Most of these areas are present in the drier interior of the continent. They receive less rainfall, enough only to support the growth of grasses. The seeds of the grasses remain in the soil during unfavorable climates and germinate when it rains. Grasslands cover more than 1/5 of the Earth's land surface. The temperate grasslands lie in the temperate zone between latitude 23.5° north and 66.5° north, and 23.5° south and 66.5° south. Temperate grasslands are known by different names in different parts of the world. In the North America, they are called prairies, while they are known as pampas in South America. In South Africa, grasslands are known as veldt. In Australia, they are called downs, and in Russia, they are known as steppes. Prairies, the grassland located in North America. The prairies cover a large portion of the continent of North America, stretching from the central part of the United States of America west of the Mississippi to the foothills of the Rocky Mountains. It is watered by the Mississippi River and its tributaries. Climate. The prairies experience hot summers and cold winters, typical of the temperate zone. There is also moderate rainfall during the summer. Winters are severely dry and cold, with occasional frost and snowfall. Sometimes, hot winds called chinook blow during the spring season over these grasslands. Vegetation. Prairies are largely covered by tall grasses, lush green in summer and golden brown in autumn. Like all grasslands, the soil contains large amount of humus and is thus extremely fertile. Moreover, the abundant water from the Mississippi and Missouri River and their tributaries make them perfect for agriculture. The prairies of North America are known as wheat basket of the world because of the large-scale production of wheat here, maize, barley, rye. Wheat grown here is exported to other countries. Cotton is also grown in the southern prairies. Wildlife in the prairies. The prairies abound in grazing animals because of the extensive and lush green pasture here. Wildlife in the prairies. Wolf, coyote, fox, badger, and black-footed ferret are the carnivores found in prairies. quail, sparrow, hawk, and owl are the birds found in prairies. Life of the people. The prairies do not have much population. Farmers live with their families on their huge farms and carry most of the agriculture activities such as plowing, sowing, harvesting, and threshing, and modernized agricultural machines and farming implements. Dairy farming and cattle rearing are the important occupations. Cattle are raised on large farms called ranches in hilly areas where the soil is not very fertile. The region produces excellent dairy products and meat products. Chicago is an important center for slaughtering animals. Thus now we have learned about grassland in the temperate